Hey everyone, my name's Ryan and this is RXM, my 2016 Audi RS3. I recently had the Maxton Kit installed all around, front lip, side skirts and the rear diffuser, as well as an Eibach Sportline spring kit and X4 secondary decap pipes. In this quick video, I'm going to show you the Maxton Kit and the Eibach Sportline springs and how they look on the car. So for the Maxton Kit, I went for the version 1 front lip in gloss black, side skirts in gloss black, and the rear diffuser, which only comes in the black ABS plastic. Overall, huge change to the way the car looks. The RS3 without the kit looks almost incomplete now in my opinion. It looks more aggressive and gives the impression that the car's also lower. Now, obviously the car is lowered on the Eibach Sportline springs, so you cannot get an idea of what this kit would look like if you had the stock springs and ride height here. The Sportline version of the springs lowers the car more than the Pro version. The height drop is advertised between 15mm and 25mm at the front and 15mm and 20mm at the rear. I'm not sure if it was just me, but when I got them installed, the front seemed to drop straight away and was really noticeable. The rear looked like it didn't drop as much, but after a few days, the springs seemed to set in and now the rear looks lower too. I thought that this might occur as I've actually heard that new springs can take time to set in and you might actually see the car drop a little over time in the first few days as they actually take the time to embed and set in. Aside from the looks, the springs have reduced the body roll significantly. The car feels stiffer and heaps sharper in corners and performs really well. It is actually way more comfortable than stock actually. I haven't really noticed any changes in acceleration squat and the nosedive when braking, which is also advertised as characteristics of this spring set. Still have plenty of clearance in the guards at the moment with the stock wheels and tyre setup. Looking to get new wheels soon though. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to get. Still deciding, but I am sure that that's the next modification for the car. I'll be uploading some more videos soon, so if you want to see this RS3 build, then make sure to subscribe.